Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for this week for Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 11th of November 2024, Sibongile is shattered when Vuma forbids her from taking money from the Dlaminis. Meanwhile, Kwenzo asks his father to put him in charge of Mgazini factory in an attempt to prove himself to Vuma. Samke's efforts to threaten Kuzwayo takes a turn. The helpers take matters into their own hands. Then Tuesday, the 12th of November, Kwenzo prepares to move to Ikopo, and Sibongile announces plans to reopen the Mgazini factory. Much to everyone's excitement, some guests struggled to get through to Vuma about Sibongile accepting the money from the Dlaminis. Then Wednesday, the 13th of November, Sibongile announces the reopening of the Mgazini factory. Vusi tries to use money to get a second chance with Tina when Jenny's podcast is discovered and she looks for someone to blame for her failure. Guys, it looks like it's going to be an interesting week. Especially with Ukwenzo. Like, I'm curious to know with him running Mgazini factory, how is that going to prove anything to maybe Uvuma? Maybe people will speak well of him because he'll be, the owner. I am not even surprised that Sibongile, it seems like he's going to actually give Ukwenzo this position. But if it was Vusi, guys, we all know Sibongile was going to make a big issue if Vusi wanted to be the owner or run the Mgazini factory branch. And then also Sibongile needs to get back to school. So I don't know Uvuma why he doesn't want her to take back or to take this Dlamini money, because I mean it's the easy way out, guys. Then in and out of court, suing the Dlaminis, and they don't even have money for lawyers at this point. Angazi maybe Vuma, it's a pride thing. Maybe he feels like Ukwenzo is trying to buy Sibongile or put Sibongile in a corner with money and those type of things. But we will see. Usamke does she know who she's playing with, guys? But anyway, Usamke said that listen, Udeliwe Beno Peteni, they learned from her. So I guess Udeliwe's brother Kuzwayo, he learns his stuff from Udeliwe maybe. So it's going to be an interesting dynamic to see who's going to fold between the two of them, because the two of them, listen guys, they can be both dangerous, maybe soon. Then lastly, Vusi trying to get back with Utlina. I hope Utlina doesn't go back that easily, because on behalf of Utlina, guys, aside of the things Utlina did, I am mad at Vusi for just dropping Utlina and leaving her like that, guys. Like you don't do that in marriage. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts and your expectations for this week. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.